Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to learn more about our compact wheel loader attachments. And with me I have a product expert. Hello, Marcin.
Hi, Paulina. Hi, all. My name is Marcin Lenartowicz and I'm Compact Wheel Loader Product Manager. Today I would like to focus and show you our newest attachments in our compact wheel loaders range. So except well-known, reliable and efficient attachments, today you will see our newest stuff. I would like to present our newly designed hydraulic pallet forks, which you can have right now directly from production together with the machine. These hydraulic fork pallets, they are offered in two options. As a standard, you have adjustable fork tines. In the advanced option, except adjustable fork tines, you have also side shift adjustments. And now I would like to present our well-known material handling arm, which is perfectly used on a construction equipment sites to carry all kind of loads. So this equipment is offered with our compact wheel loaders as well. Except material handling arm, we are also offering general purpose and multi-purpose buckets equipped with the hook, which has the same purpose as material handling arm, so you can easily load and carry any kind of loads around construction sites. Now, very exciting attachments for our compact wheel loaders. Hydraulic driven clamp bucket, which you can actually use in an agriculture or waste application. However, here we are presenting this bucket with a little bit of wood for you.